Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to make modern triangular geometric pattern background in Adobe Illustrator. Polygon tool, radius 50 pixel, sides 3, fill none, outline color black, stroke weight 1 point. Go to effect menu and distort and transform. Scale horizontal 55% and vertical 55%. Move horizontal 0 pixel and vertical 7 pixel. Rotate angle 45 degree. Options: select random, transform objects and transform pattern. Copies 15. Select shape and go to object menu and expand appearance. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Rotate 180 degree. Stroke panel, Ctrl F10. Click on round cap and round chain in the stroke panel. Select shape and go to object menu and pattern and make. Tile type, brick by row. Click on done. Draw a horizontal box shape. Apply custom pattern in the swatches panel. Finally, your triangular geometric pattern design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create modern triangular geometric pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.